Looking for a fundraiser for your group or a worthy cause? Everyone loves a useful cookbook with fabulous recipes that support a good cause. That's where a custom cookbook from cookbookfundraiser.com comes in. Cookbooks bring the community together to share their favorite recipes and become a lasting keepsake. They can also be very profitable. Cookbookfundraiser.com's state-of-the-art online publishing system was designed to take advantage of internet and make it easy for your fundraising chair and committee. Here's how easy it is. When you create an account on cookbookfundraiser.com, you have access to all of the tools and step-by-step instructions you'll need to create a successful fundraising cookbook project. Invite your community to contribute their favorite recipes for the cookbook. They enter their recipes directly into our program from any computer, tablet, or even their mobile phone. You or your cookbook committee select a title, cover design, and recipe layout for your cookbook from our professionally designed library, or you can create your own. If you sell advertising in your cookbook, you can make enough to cover the entire cost of printing your cookbook. We'll even buy your first ad. Once the recipes are collected and the design completed, it's time to check for typos or missing text. Once complete, you place your print order. Remember to order more than you need, because once everyone sees your cookbook, they will want more. In 2 to 3 weeks when the cookbooks arrive, you distribute pre-ordered cookbooks and sell the rest to support your worthwhile projects. Cookbookfundraiser.com is your recipe for success when it comes to raising money for your worthwhile projects. Get your fundraiser started today at cookbookfundraiser.com.